Do you really think you can stop me? Do you really think you can stop me? I've seen betrayal and survived it. Every move you make, I'm 2 steps ahead. Remember this, crossing me was your biggest mistake. Who told you that we are weak? A calabash does not sink in water. Go back to your king. Tell him that as long as I draw breath, this village will not bow. Not today, not ever. You again. Pressing that phone as if you're trying to enter inside it. Even when food is ready, you're still pressing it. When I call you, you're pressing it. When I cough small, you're still pressing it. My child, listen to me. If you press that phone any harder, one day the phone will press you back.
I trusted you maybe a little too much, and now I'm standing here trying to understand how everything changed without a warning. Present, I showed up, and somehow that still wasn't enough for you. Don't touch me!
Have you ever tried to make a video on Grok AI and it just gives you a 6-second video? But let me shock you a bit. There is actually a trick that you can use when generating your videos in Grok. This simple hack lets you make long-form videos for free, no upgrade, no subscription, nothing extra. So stay with me till the end of this video because I'm about to review something that will completely change how we use Grok AI to create your videos. Before we dive into the video, kindly like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and turn on your post notification. Let's dive into the video. The first thing you need to do is to generate your image, and for this we'll be using Google Gemini. I clicked on create image, then I pasted my prompt here and I hit on send. If you're interested in the exact prompt that I use, feel free to pause the video and take a screenshot of the prompt. I don't want this video to be so long. So after the image was generated, I clicked on the download button to download the image. Next, head over to Grok AI. Once you've signed in, the first thing you need to do is to disable automatic video generation. To do this, click on your profile below, click on settings, then click on behavior, then scroll down to enable automatic video generation, toggle it off. Go back to the home page, click on imagine. Click on video and select your aspect ratio here. Next, click on this icon to upload the image we generated from Google Gemini. Once you have uploaded the image, go to ChatGPT to generate the story. I told it to generate a long, emotional, one-speaker video script. The speaker is a strong woman confronting someone who tried to stop her. Write it in scenes, add emotions, and make it dramatic and intense. Now here is the script. Now copy the first scene. Don't copy everything that ChatGPT generated at once. Copy the first scene and go back to Grok. Paste it on the customize video section. Hit and send. Wait for your video to be generated.
I carried this shame
Here is
for
the
years,
video.
and now it's time to let it go. I've carried this pain for years, and now it's time to let it go.
Now pay close attention. This video is originally a video. So to get a long video, drag this video till the end, then right click and copy the video frame. If you're using a mobile phone, you can't make use of the copy frame. What you need to do is to download the video, then go to your gallery and then drag the video till the end, then take a screenshot. The idea of copying the frame or making a screenshot is for us to start the next video creation from where the first one stopped. We want to maintain consistency throughout the video. So what you need to do now is to click on this icon, then paste the picture you've copied. If you're using the mobile phone, click on the same icon and then import the video that you've screenshotted. Go back to ChatGPT and copy the next scene. Then come back to Grok and paste it. Hit on generate.
You think you can stop me after everything I've survived? You think you can stop me after everything I've survived?
Repeat this for all your scenes until the video is completed. Then head over to your editing app for the final editing. Head over to CapCut, click on new video, import the clips, click on add. Now see the way the first clip seamlessly blended with the second clip.
I've carried this pain for years, and now I need to let it go. Can you hear me? You think you can stop me after everything I've survived?
If you found this video helpful, please give this video a like. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.